Sometimes I come to you as a touch of grace, with a bit of sparkle in my eyes. I come to you as a miracle of nature. I am the face of innocence. I mirror your city's heritage. Sometimes I swallow fire to glow like embers. I can mesmerize you with my luminous beam. I appear with the sun. I capture the magnificence of sunset. I love flowing timelessly. I am the one who makes your everyday beautiful with my small appearances. Yes, I am Aludecor's color of the year. I am Timeless Terracotta.